I don't like string concatenation at all. Let me explain. I have these two strings, first name and last name. When I'm trying to create one sentence out of it, I have to add all these string concatenations. This is a simple sentence, so it's probably fine. But when you want to write a bigger sentence, this string concatenation will be really hard. To solve this problem, many libraries were created. Underscore template, mustache, handlebars, Hogan, but I don't use any of them because JavaScript got its own template literal. Now the question is, what is a template string? Template string is nothing but a string with some tokens in it, and these tokens are replaced in the runtime to generate the actual sentence. But we don't want any libraries. We want to use JavaScript's own template literal, and that is very simple. When you define a string in JavaScript, instead of using single quote or double quote, you have to use backtick. Single quote, double quote, and this is the backtick just below escape key. So in modern JavaScript, when you use backtick to create a string, that becomes a template string. That means you can add variables inside the string. I have a variable first name, I can directly use that variable, and last name. And using this dollar symbol and this curly braces, you can add any variable or any JavaScript expression. Expression means, suppose you have a number that is age, so I can add and your age is, and suppose you want to calculate something like age minus 1, this is called expression, and you can use this inside template string. And you have another advantage with template strings. See, if you add a new line here, that also works. You cannot do that with normal string. If you break a normal string like this, some text, then you break the string, causes an error because this is not a valid JavaScript. But you can break the lines with a template string. That is also another advantage. One more thing, as we are using backtick to create the string, you can safely use single quote or double quote inside the string as many number of times. You don't have to escape it, but you cannot do that with a normal string. Suppose I have created a string with a double quote, then inside that string, if you want to add another double quote, the string breaks and you have to escape it with some backslash. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please hit like and subscribe to JavaScript Talks for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.